trailblazer from Green Team. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, SPC Friendship Cup 2025 Season 2. Season 2 is from muli po maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na sumusuporta at nagmamahal po sa Sunday Basketball Club. And of course, sa ating barangay. Sabi nga po muli, huwag na po tayo magpalakasan. Okay po? At na po tayo, bonus na lang yung pagkakaroon po natin ng medals and trophy. Okay, our SBC Friendship Cup Season 2. Best News will receive a trophy and of course a cash prize.
Angkat eh. Lamang eh. Lamang.
Best News from Red Team! Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our SBC Friendship Cup 2025 Season 2. Best News from Red Team. Okay po. And of course, stay lang po tayo for a while po, SPM, and of course, dito lang muna po tayo para po magkakaroon tayo ng photo op by Miss. And, hi ma'am, dito po tayo Miss Arlene. Si Miss Arlene po, kung sa pagkakalam po ng iba, sumali na po siya to represent Das Barines for Miss Fit. Diba? Siya po ay nag-represent ng DASPA and of course, the whole entire Cavite for Miss...
Sorry po, di pa ako nagmamagahan. Okay, tumutok na. Gusto ko lang po kayo i-invite sa November 26 po for the coronation of Binibining Das Marinas 2026. And at the same time po, gusto ko lang po humingi sa inyo ng prayers para po to make this barangay proud po and for us to win Binibining Das Marinas and eventually compete on the national level. Thank you!